You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is b equals 3. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Expand the parentheses. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all b terms on the left side of the equation. Subtract 6b from both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Add 21 to both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the b. Divide both sides by -3. Cancel out the negatives. Simplify the fraction. Cancel out the negatives. Find the greatest common factor of the numerator and denominator. Factor out and cancel the greatest common factor. And so the final result is b equals 3.